Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges. We get a lot of questions about what comes included in the packaging when you purchase one of our gauges. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in the 100 PSI Oil Pressure Gauge in the 2 5/8 inch Black and White Racing Gauge Series. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 2 5/8 inch 100 PSI Oil Pressure Gauge. Also included in the packaging, a 9-foot pressure sensor harness, a 2-foot power harness, a pressure sensor, a mounting bracket with hardware, and full color installation instructions. If you need any additional vehicle-specific installation accessories, feel free to visit our website at glowshiftgauges.com.